Okay, thanks.
Right now it's center drilling.
Okay, thanks.
And will you be able to tell what?
Yep.
Production is making capping for several years, and then the last few years I was making capping. In the last 2 years that I was selling to Buffalo Arms in Pend-Oreille, Idaho, then I was using this to manufacture my parts. But I was only making 100 parts at a time. And this is my trigger cap. I produce that with.
You don't do any second ops on this? This is all done on this machine?
It's all one shot, and when it comes off, all I have to do is take it to the grain of one of those skips. That's tapping those 440 holes as well. So